Good afternoon. My name is Günel, and I am from the Catalyser team. I know all of you is tired, but before my starting speech, I want to ask you a question. Do you know any connection between volcanic ash and CO2 emissions? Yes, you are right. They are dangerous. So today I'm going to tell you how we are using volcanic ash to reduce CO2 emissions. So, after several years of the research, Catalyser Group has found readily available volcanic ash-made catalysts that convert CO2 emissions to the eco-friendly fuels and other valuable compounds. Nowadays, plenty of the factories actually working on this project, so our deal is to sell our product to that companies, and it will cost them just 200 euros per kilogram. As I mentioned before, our main target is the methanol and ethanol factories, because they have 110 million metric tons of the production capacity, and also nearly 200,000 tons of methanol and ethanol is going to use as a chemical feedstock and also as a transportation fuel. However, the CO2 conversion institution and also power station are real customers as well. As I noted before, the main problem for the researchers was to find a catalyst with the high efficiency and with the long-term stability. So after 10 years of the research, our group assures that our catalyst has 3 times more efficiency, it's 2 times more durable, and also the price is actually 6 times cheaper than our competitors. So this is main content of our product. So iron oxide and also titanium oxide gives main catalytic effect to our product. And silicon oxide and aluminum oxide acting as a keg role where the reaction is going on. With the 5% of the market share, by selling our product just 200 euros per kilogram, our group assures that to get over 400,000 million per year. Each year, 36 gallons of the CO2 enters to the atmosphere. And before Industrial Revolution, the CO2 amount in the atmosphere was just 208 ppm. But according to the manual law measurement station, at the moment, this amount equal to 408 ppm in the atmosphere. However, 150 million metric tons of the CO2 every year converting to the other chemical components. But 24 billion metric tons of the CO2 is not converted yet. So, but gaining our product, the companies can reduce their CO2 emissions over 85%, and they will be tax-free. So, advantages. We have a university-backed US patent application for our special method. The second, we have low manufacturing cost, because we are skipping the catalyst designing step, because it is mineral that available, we don't need to make it. And also, in our team, we have 10 years experience on this project, associate professor. So what the companies can get if they will buy our product? They can make their CO2 emissions to valuable byproducts. They can decrease the CO2 emissions by using our cheaper catalyst, and it is industrially applicable. This is our great team. It's myself, our professor, my colleague, and 2 students. Our dream is to generate 500 million in revenue by reducing CO2 amounts by 2040, over 85% through our efficient electrochemical CO2 conversion. Thank you for listening, and this is our customers.